Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Bitcoin the Coin. In this video, we'll be guiding you through the process of buying Bitcoin and securely storing it in a hardware wallet. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that has become increasingly popular in recent years. It offers a new way to store and transfer value, with many people seeing it as a promising investment opportunity. However, with this new technology comes new risks and challenges. That's why it's important to understand how to purchase Bitcoin safely and securely store it. In this tutorial, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin from a reputable exchange and transfer it to a hardware wallet for maximum security. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a reputable Bitcoin exchange. The first step in buying Bitcoin is to choose a reputable exchange. Research the different exchanges available and select one that has a good reputation, high security standards, and reasonable fees. Some popular Bitcoin exchanges include Relay, Binance, Kraken, and Bitpanda. Step 2. Sign up and verify your account. Once you have selected an exchange, sign up and create an account. You will need to provide personal information and verify your identity through a KYC, Know Your Customer, process. This is necessary to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and counter-terrorist financing, CTF, regulations. However, KYC goes against the principles of Bitcoin, which prioritize anonymity, privacy, and decentralization. The ability to transact without the need for a trusted intermediary is a key advantage of Bitcoin, and KYC requirements undermine this advantage by requiring users to reveal their personal information to a third party. Moreover, KYC requirements can be seen as a potential barrier to entry for new Bitcoin users, as they may be uncomfortable sharing their personal information or may not have the necessary documentation to complete the verification process. Step 3. Fund your account and purchase Bitcoin. After your account is verified, you can fund it with fiat currency such as US dollar or euro and purchase Bitcoin. The exact process may vary depending on the exchange, but generally involves selecting Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency to purchase and entering the amount you want to buy. Step 4. Set up your hardware wallet. Once you have purchased Bitcoin, it's important to transfer it to a hardware wallet for secure storage. Popular hardware wallets include Ledger Nano S or X, Trezor, and BitBox02. Follow the instructions provided with your hardware wallet to set it up and create a wallet address. Step 5. Transfer Bitcoin to your hardware wallet. Next, transfer your Bitcoin from the exchange to your hardware wallet. This can usually be done through the send or withdraw function on the exchange's platform. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer and the destination wallet address provided by your hardware wallet. Step 6. Store your hardware wallet safely. Finally, store your hardware wallet safely in a secure location, such as a safe or safety deposit box. Make sure to keep your wallet's recovery phrase or seed phrase in a separate, secure location in case you need to recover your wallet in the future. By following these steps, you can securely buy and store Bitcoin with a hardware wallet for peace of mind and maximum security. Remember to always do your own research and choose reputable exchanges and hardware wallets. Thanks for watching.